Good morning, welcome to a new video. Today we are in this room which is meant to be our bedroom. Still work in progress heavily. Today we're gonna focus on the window. We bought way bigger windows. They're 190, so nearly 2 meters, so taller than me. And these windows are like what, 150 or something, so we need to extend quite a lot down. Nearly to the floor, like here needs to go. Which is a lot of work. So that's what we're gonna focus. Oh no, these are 130, so we need like 80 centimeters down, need to extend. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be cutting with the little angle grinder, and that's gonna take forever pretty much. That's what I can say. So yeah, let's get started. Why to waste time? To protect myself against the virus that's gonna be stuck in the bricks. I'm rushing things a bit. I first of all need to remove this old window. It needs to come out. I don't know how they have attached it. I think it's fine. It can be removed easily. With these screws, 6 screws, we need to remove them and take it out. Never, however, done a window replacement, repair, removal, installation. None of it. All new to me, but it's really basic. I think I can manage it. Let me get a drill.
How heavy is it?
Not light, that's for sure.
So you need my help.
Okay, we have successfully removed the window. It was not the easiest job, but it was not the hardest either. It was pretty easy actually to remove a window. Depends, every house is different. Of course, this one was pretty dang easy. I don't know how easy it is to put a new one in now, but we don't have a choice. We need to do it. So now we just need to clean up all this mess and get ready to extend it lower. This is a really thick wall. It's 50 centimeters. That's gonna be quite a lot of work to bring it down, and we need to bring it a bit sideways because these are 1 meter 17 width, and this wall is not that high. Oh my god, this brick is falling apart here. So we have cleaned it up, measured it correctly. It's a bit random, the sizes, because it's not fully straight. You know, it's done before levels were introduced, or before they were used actually. We're gonna cut it here straight and then down that way and up. This can only cut a really small amount, so it's gonna be a lot of chiseling with a hammer to get it out. These ones here, no problem, they fall out, but I need to have that line at least to separate them. Okay, so here I go. Always wear eye protection, ear protection, mouth protection when you're dealing with dust and everything, because this shit gets everywhere and it hurts like a lot, especially older stuff. Hello. Our walls are not that structurally safe, are they? Not at all, are they? Hello, fly. Waking up, wakey, wakey. Ah, malaka. Malakia. Oh! What I can say is this house was not built very smart or efficient or in any good way. So people, we have cut the inside, now we're gonna cut the outside wall. The inside wall is finished, maybe it needs a bit of adjusting because it's not the correct sizing. But it's not so important as the outside wall, because the outside wall is where the thing will go in between. The inside wall is just for looks for us. So now I'm gonna cut this. Mom! The button doesn't work. It's really fucking not working.
Seriously?
My f***ing hammer!
Oh shit, it broke. What? Jasper.
How do you even replace that? You can't, can you? This is disappointing for Jasper. Okay, perfect. It's good for a prop, for breaking hammer. Now we have to use this bad boy.
It's way too heavy.
Slow-mo, I hope so. It's the next morning day, and here's the hole. You can literally run away. I'm home.
What the heck? Back.
Where's food? This is how we come home from work. Where's food?
Yeah, you didn't close it with all that power.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? We totally left the phone. So what I did is I cut all down smooth. Not really straight, but maybe it's good enough. And then I need to do the same on the other side. I was starting, but my blade got dull. My blade ran out of sharpness. So yesterday went over to buy some for a few more blades. These ones look actually better. Maybe they last longer as well. I don't know.
Oh, hammer. This one's for the walls, but that's gonna be another video. So.
Yeah, we need to scratch the walls with these brushes, so to make them nice and clean again.
That's another video.
So yeah.
Ow.
That's what we have to do.
Okay, so you're gonna straighten up the wall.
Yep, and cement all of it. We have to try if the window fits. And if it fits, then we'll move on to cementing. I don't know how long this this 15 euro tool will last, but hopefully long enough.
Fingers crossed for all the windows.
So I finished cutting around perfectly. I do need to check. Here's my perfectly cut wood, which is
188.
188, same as the 1.8. 188.
Oh, 188 is all, yeah.
1.8 to check if it fits everywhere. Yeah, the top has a bit of, yeah, on both sides looks like it's not cut enough. So yeah, it needs a bit of adjusting, but overall I finished the big mess of cutting that was tiring.
Can I see your face?
Yeah, that's right.
You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay? Are you gonna slap your face like that as well?
Maybe. Why? What's wrong with
Why
it?
are you getting undressed? That you were getting undressed in front of the camera, you know that, right? Don't cover up. Let's cover that.
Oh my
Joking.
God. It's actually... Oh, my pee-pee is full of dirt. It's so itchy.
What? You don't have anything under that part.
Dirt is dirty. That's why it's called dirt.